Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use array to text to get data from a single row or column or from the whole table into a single cell separated by commas. So I'll write equal to array to text and then I will select the data which I want separated by commas. So here if I click enter, I will get the data separated by commas. I can select different range also. So suppose if I write equal to array to text and select a column and click enter, it will give me the data from that column separated by commas. Okay, and I can even select the complete table like this and click enter. So this will give me the data from this table in a single cell. Here you can see all this data. It is in a single cell. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.